Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. First, I would like to apologize for how inconsistent my upload schedule has been as of late. Truth be told, I think my busy, crazy life has just caught up with me, and just mentally, I needed a moment. To be straight up with you guys, I just needed a moment to myself, constantly feeling like I have to post something or have something ready or whatever is so hard, and it's so demanding. And to even be such a small person in this huge pond of social media, for me to feel that way, I was like, this is crazy. So I just took a break. Lately, the past week, I've kind of forced to take a break because once again, I'm sick. I'm not a sick person. I've maybe been sick, twice in my adult life that I could think of where I was like, damn, yeah, you were sick. So it's like, what is happening? So anyway, long story short, this kind of just what's been going on as to where I've been. So I apologize for my super annoying nasally voice. This is my attempt at no makeup. Kind of impressed with myself. I don't look as deathly ill as I feel. Because I sat down here to film this, and I saw myself, and I was like, oh, girl, you don't look good at all. I mean, I'm not above going on YouTube without makeup on. I don't care. I don't give a shit what you... Let me rephrase that. I was gonna say, I don't give a shit what you think what I look like, but, I am kind of, a beauty channel, I suppose, so it's I mean, I should care a little bit, but, you know what I mean, right? You know what I mean by that. I don't care. Okay. I've rambled on enough. Let's jump into this video. Now, I've honestly wanted to film this for a while now. With YouTube the way that it is right now, and especially this community is so bizarre right now. It's in such a weird spot that it's just it got me thinking old YouTube, back in the day when I first started watching beauty videos or really videos in general. They're just so different back then, and I was just thinking those were so nice. You know, because it's nowadays it's you have to have the nicest thing, you have to have the newest thing, you have to review it before somebody else does. It's just ugh. No, I don't want to do that. I'm too poor to keep going out and buying the next best thing to review it, hopefully before somebody else does. I don't have time for that. So, in today's video, I wanted to kind of do an homage to old YouTube, to old beauty, lifestyle, vlogger type YouTube videos. So, today I am filming a what's in my bag video. So if you're not familiar with what's in my bag videos, they were so popular years ago on YouTube. Everybody was doing these. Everybody wanted to know, what do you carry around with you? And even if you don't want to admit it, you would sit there and you would just want to be nosy, and you would just want to know what she got in her bag. You know, whether you want to admit it or not, everybody is so nosy about everybody else. And you don't have to, like I said, you don't have to admit it, but I know. I loved these videos. I love these kinds of videos where you just get to be super nosy in somebody else's life, just because it's in real life, you just can't walk up to a stranger and be like, what's in your purse? Can I just take a peek really quick to see what's in your bag? You can't do that. So, for someone to sit here and just willingly do it and open up their life to you? Oh, girl. Got me going back in the day. I wanted to kind of bring it back to that, to see, it's fun, it's innocent, and honestly, I can't sit here and blend out a smoky out of my eyeballs right now. I don't think I would survive. This intro's too long. Let's get started. Let me show you what's in my bag. The bag that I carry around with me is this one right here. It is a Kate Spade bag. It's a backpack type deal. No, it's not canvas. What are you? It's, I don't know. It's that kind. I'm really bad at describing. It has these leather straps here. It's a book bag, yay! And it looks like this, and it's super cute. Yes. Okay. So is the bag. Should I just hold you up here? Because you guys want to be able to see. Disclaimer. Like every What's in My Bag video has a disclaimer of, I'm not showing off the bags that I have or the things that I own inside of my bags or whatever. Girl, I'm not trying to show off. I'm just showing you what the heck I carry in my bag. And if you get offended by it, that is your problem, not mine. Also, another disclaimer, please don't think I am a piglet. Because I don't know, I don't know what's in here. And I've been so busy as of late, I have not cleaned it out. And it's really heavy. Okay, ooh, it's like you're picking out a name jar. First thing, a Taco Bell receipt. Very important. There's like a little flap here in the front. Let's just see. First thing, ooh. A $15 off of $50 or more coupon for Bed Bath & Beyond that is not expired. That's shocking. I usually have coupons that are expired. Ooh, a cluster of coupons. Oh, I just did this the other day. Coupons! More coupons. Oh my gosh. Oh, you're not expired. And you're no, wait. What is today? No, you're not expired. Woo! Okay. More coupons. That was for a smoothie. Oh, this. Life-changing. Okay, so this is the Blistex Complete Moisture chapstick. I realize nobody cares about chapstick, but it's the best. Okay, so let's move into like the big part. Oh, it's my work badge. Ew. I honestly don't know why that's in there. I never carry it in my purse. Oh, this is really big. That's my keys. That's nothing fun. I mean, I have a car. That's fun, but meh. Oh God. My arm's getting tired again. What are you? A Kroger receipt. That is the longest receipt ever for only $16. Ah, a wallet. So this is like one of those tiny wallets. Oh, it has $1 in it. Yes. I never have any money. What's in here? Ooh, change. Yes. Did you just pee on the floor? Yeah, I carry around this. I bought this tiny wallet to carry around with me because this summer I've been so busy like going to concerts and festivals and just, you know, living my best life that I was like, I can't keep carrying around my huge wallet. So I got this little one, little compact feller, and it's just so great. Let me show you, my friend. It's by Kate Spade again. I got it to like kind of match the backpack, but then again, like not really. It's like cute, you know, the front, it's just like this leather, and on the back it holds your cards. Mine holds my Costco card because that's very important to me. And $1, and then in here, just more of your secrets can fit in there. So that's great. Love ya. Do I have to hold my bag up still? I'm real tired. Oh, another clasp of coupons. These ones are for food. That's exciting. A Lowe's receipt. I bought mulch. Nothing screams I'm an adult like I bought mulch. This is my actual wallet. As you can see, it is quite hefty. Homegirl is hefty. So that's why I got this little feller. See, much smaller. Nothing too exciting in here, I don't think. Ooh, there's a Piata gift card. That's exciting. That's really exciting. Ooh, a Taco Bell gift card. Damn it, I wish I knew that. Ooh, I actually have money. Discoveries. There's really not as much in here as I thought. Yes, I'm not a piglet. Oh, yeah, because I work at a hospital with patients as a nurse. I have to get fit tested to wear a respirator whenever I take care of patients with tuberculosis. It's my size of my respirator. That's great. I have a hairbrush. If you went to high school with me, you know that I always had a hairbrush on me at all times. I am like anal about brushing my mop. Okay, a pencil. $3 in quarters in the bottom. Now we're going into the zippy pocket here, and the first thing, Becky has definitely seen better days though. So this is hair ties and bobby pins. Oh, and a septum ring. Little known fact about me, I have my septum pierced. I wonder if I can still get that in there. Kind of want to try. I have not worn that piercing in a long time. Let's see. Does it still go through? Ow! She's still there. It was definitely a little closed up. Ugh. Ow. Good times. So I'll put you back in there, I guess, if I ever feel like doing that again. Lens cleaning wipes. Very important because I have a gross face and my glasses get dirty. More lens cleaning wipes. More hair ties. More chapstick. A deodorant swipe. Oh, drugs. Very important. Not like bad ones. Come on. Like, let's not get too crazy. There's a lot of Benadryl in here. As I get older, I'm learning I'm allergic to a lot of things. And I keep Benadryl on hand just in case. I did take it one time after eating shrimp. My throat was swelling. It was great. A lot of nasal decongestants, ibuprofen. Yeah, you know, good stuff. Another quarter. Hand sanitizer. Yes, queen. And a hair tie. How exciting. That's it on the inside of here. Now I just have this baby pocket right here in the front. I don't think I have very much in it. Hand lotion. This lotion, I thought was one of the free items that you could get at Bath & Body Works because it was like $5.50, I think. And you know how they give out those coupons where you get like one item less than $6 for free? Wrong. Does not include this kind. I was pissed. At the line for the checkout not been so long, I would have like gotten a different one, but my social anxiety just can't handle that, and I just bought it to be like, get me out of here. Okay, oh yes, blotting paper. Once again, oily piglet, need these. Oh, a pen, that's a good pen. Tissues, very important, especially on weeks like this where I can't breathe because I'm dying of some sort of plague. And more chapstick. And that's it. That's all of it. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning into this one. I hope that you enjoyed this homage to old YouTube, back when things were easy and simple and just for the fun of it. If this is the first video of me that you're ever watching, please check out the rest of my videos. I do more beauty related videos. It's kind of like my thing. However, I just want to throw in this fun one because, like I said, it's fun and like silly. Okay. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell right next to that so you get notified every single time that I upload, because trust me, you want to be here. I feel like that was a lot of forehead in that one. I'm sorry. Excuse me. Thank you so much again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. What a literal accurate depiction of the fact that I never had my phone. My phone wasn't even in my bag. I left my house today. Where were you? Lock yourself before you lose yourself. Oh my god, it won't even lock. Like, what an accurate description of me. Never knowing where my phone is. I just found it in the mess that was sitting here. Hello, welcome back. We missed you. You weren't in the bag. You didn't get featured. Okay, bye for all this time. Bye.